Today we're in Madison County, walking through a treacherous path. We're here at a newer county park, Delphi Falls. There used to be a private land that has a beautiful waterfall on it, and it was such a shame that it was private, that when it was sold, there was a donation and a purchase by the county to purchase the land, and it's a county park.
You used to be able to sort of get here, but you'd get chased off with a shotgun. So now, it's fine. It's fine to visit, and you should visit. It's beautiful.
Let's go check it out. It's really easy to get to. The road is right out there, and there's some porta potties here. It's handicap accessible. Here's some handicap parking, and it's just a clear trail right to the falls. These buildings are like, you can like rent them out at certain times, right?
Yeah, because we were in one, and it was really pretty inside.
Yeah, I think we went in this one. This is the old house. It says, please note that Madison County only recently acquired this park, May of 2019. Yeah, it opened in August of 2018, I'm sorry. Though much is yet to be done, we felt the beauty of this place needed to be shared before renovations, trails, and other amenities were completed. Look for improvements to continue over the next few years, and check our website. We'll have that linked down below in the description. And if you have been here, definitely leave us a comment down below and leave some tips and pointers that you might know. Like, look at this little tiny playhouse. Look at the satellite. Yeah, satellite TV in there.
Excellent reception.
I can hear it in the distance. We're coming around the corner. The big reveal right around the house. Actually, I'm gonna back up so I can show you guys the big reveal here. Oh, look at the ice too. Oh wow, it's even more beautiful than in the summer, honestly.
It looks incredible.
And yeah, this house, they had a big picture window here for obvious reasons. How amazing. The whole family out here. It's busier than I thought it would be. It's like really great. And so this is the lower falls, and there's an upper falls too. That's still on private land. And this one is 62 feet tall. What was it, 54?
Yeah.
Was the upper falls.
So it looks even taller than 62 feet.
Yeah. There's a sign over there, no climbing on rocks, which, okay. Now this one, no problem today. This one, no swimming. No swimming today. That's beautiful, right? You can walk pretty far down. Although I think this is all ice. Here, those are some brave souls. But up here, they're not in the creek. Wow. It's more impressive in real life. I can tell you that right now. Plaque buried here. Delphi Falls Park. For the enjoyment of all, this park was made possible by a generous donation from Harold and Barbara Jones. May their legacy live forever in the beauty of this place. It's definitely beautiful.
face is all wet.
Oh, really?
But there's the heck of a spray. I mean, it's not terrible though. It's pretty great. It's invigorating.
If you like this video, click subscribe and like. Leave us some comments down below if you've been here, or if you want to come here. If you like waterfalls, this is definitely a place you want to go see.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Just still leave you with like 5 more minutes of the falls. I don't know, I think that is about 15 feet tall. Just those icicles right there. Just to give you a perspective of how large this is. Because it looks like you could go pick up that little boulder here, but that's about 7 feet right there. Wow.
You can see the water going behind the ice.
Yeah.
It's really neat.
I don't know if I'm brave or stupid, but I got some GoPro footage for the other video. And made it all the way up here. It's super crazy. But I'll other people have walked here, so I figure, why not? Another perspective. That's how big that rock is. Oh, wow. Okay, going down. Now look at the big picture window on that house. Yeah. It's beautiful. Isn't that amazing? Look at the stream coming down here. They've installed some picnic tables and grills. It's a carry in, carry out park, but they do have trash cans here. That's curious. Isn't it?
Yeah, maybe it's new.
Yeah.